How to fix Rainbow Six Siege error code 80x000007D. Hello friends, you might encounter this error code when trying to launch the game. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method you can follow is check the server status of Rainbow Six Siege. For this, launch a browser, type Rainbow Six Siege server status, press enter, click on this link. Check the server status for PC unplanned outage. PS4 it is also facing outage. For PS5, Xbox Series X by S and Xbox One are also facing outage. If you see the same on your computer, then wait for a while until the server becomes operational. If the server is okay and is not facing outage, follow the method 2, which is unlink Ubisoft. To unlink Ubisoft, go to the application, click on your profile name, go to settings, select other, click on the link account management, go to your account page, scroll down and go to linked accounts section. Check your linked accounts here and unlink one by one. For me, Xbox is linked, so I will click on unlink, continue, check this box and click on unlink. Then check if the error is fixed. If the error still occurs, reset the network. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator, go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first line from the description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check if the error code no longer appears. If the problem still occurs, then stay 3 to 5 minutes on the main menu of the game. On this menu, stay 3 to 5 minutes. After then, try to play the game. This trick has worked for many users. So wait for 5 minutes and then try to play. The next method is verify game's file integrity. Go to Ubisoft Connect, click on library, click on three dots, go to manage and select verify files. Let the verification complete. Once completed, click on close and try to launch the game. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.